This is the McDonald's Happy Meal HarperCollins children books, and this is toy number 5, which is Paddington, and it comes in this type of bag, and out of the bag is this nice book by Michael Bond, and a nice bear over here. Please look after this bear, thank you. Cool illustrated by R.W. Alley. And then the back side, let's start. Nice book. Comes with this activity over here, which is kind of challenging, and this activity, great, more books to read, fun book. This is how I did the activity. I started from here, went like all the way like that to the finish, and then this one here, the hat, the tag, teacup, suitcase, and toast. More fun books to read. This was kind of the hardest one to read from all of the 5 books in this collection. Thank you for your time. Wonderful day. Bye bye.